Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at line graphs. Now, line graphs are mainly used in subjects such as geography and history. They are rarely used in maths and almost never used in science. A lot of people get them mixed up with scatter graphs, so you need to be very, very careful. You will have seen line graphs before as they join up the points like this. And you will have seen scatter graphs before, but this is where you're drawing a line of best fit. Now, line graphs are often used where we have something like numbers of things in different years. So let's take a look at a typical data set for this. So for example, in the 1950s, let's see, might have had 22.3 times 10,000, so that's 220,300 homes with record players. And then in 1960 might have something like 43.8 as the popularity grows, 72.6, 90.7. And then obviously towards the 1990s they had tape players and things which had grown in popularity, and also CDs were around, starting to come then, so a lot less. And then in 2000 maybe, with them starting to grow in popularity slightly again as novelty items, as display pieces, and also for those who think that the sound is a bit purer. How we plot that onto the graph now. So in 1950 we had 22.3, so we go up to 22.3 and plot a cross on there. 1960 we had 43.8, so 1960 let's plot that one on there. And 1970 90.7, so let's plot that one on there. In 1980, we had 72.6 in 1970, but let's just change those around, doesn't really matter, it's only an example that we're doing here. In 1990 we had 12.6, so let's plot that one on there. And in 2000 we had 18.9, so let's just plot this one on here. Okay, so then this is the only case where what you should do next is to join up the dots. Now this is a line graph. You should never ever do this for a scatter graph, and teachers do get annoyed with pupils unfortunately for doing that. But you should only ever do it on this type of graph. You should never do it on a scatter graph. If you are using a scatter graph, you've usually got continuous data where you've, say, measured something for different time periods, and it's usually over seconds, say in science experiments, or minutes, but certainly not for this type of graph that we've got here. Thanks.